So here I am out in the outdoors near the city. You can see the city back there. I've hiked up on a hill. And you might expect me to start saying, oh, praise God for his creation. Praise God for the nature he's created, the hills and the trees and the bugs and the bunnies. But I'm not going to do that. I've been in much more beautiful than this. I grew up in Montana. we've got beauty and nature there. So to me, this is just kind of plain, nothing special. But I'm not going to complain. I'm very glad that this is here. I'm very glad that I can come out here in only 20-minute walk, get from my apartment out here to the countryside. It's nice. I like it. And I like that I can get out here and be alone with God pretty much. This time of day, there are a lot of people out on the hills up here watching the sunrise, or down in the valley over here with some friends, having picnic. But I do get to get out here and be with God out of my apartment, away from the city a little bit, and just enjoy the smell, the mosquito bites. If it's this time of night, I've got to watch for that. And sometimes see wild animal. Not so much out here, but I'm watching. It's rare for me to go out on a hike anywhere and not see wild animals. It's just something that happens with me. So I'm expecting to see something out here. But I just want to encourage you to get alone with God. Find a place like this, nearby where you can get to, away from other people, and you can walk with God, and you can talk with him, and more than anything, listen to him. And I'm not guaranteeing that he's going to be speaking to you every time. And people who think that, I don't think either they're not sincere or they're listening to some other spirit. So you got to be careful about that. But definitely talk with God. Open your heart to God and wait on God. See what he does. Be silent before him. Just walk and be silent. After, of course, telling what's on your heart, then just be silent and just walk. And then go back and then see what he does as a result of you trusting him and pouring your heart out to him. You'll be pleasantly surprised. May the Lord bless you as you seek him with all your heart.